Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump in a Toyota Yaris. First, gather all your tools, including a socket set, wrenches, and a suitable drain pan. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning any work to prevent burns. You'll need to locate the water pump, which is typically driven by the serpentine belt, and identify the hoses connected to it. Safety first, so wear appropriate protective gear. Now let's drain the coolant. Place your drain pan under the radiator drain plug and carefully open it. Once the system is empty, you can remove the serpentine belt. This usually involves releasing tension from the tensioner pulley. Next, disconnect any hoses attached to the water pump and remove any brackets or components that block access to the pump itself. Keep track of all fasteners. With the old pump exposed, unbolt it and gently pry it away from the engine block. Be sure to clean the mounting surface meticulously, removing all old gasket material to ensure a leak-free seal for the new pump. Apply a thin layer of RTV sealant if recommended by the manufacturer. Then carefully position the new water pump with its fresh gasket and tighten the bolts to the specified torque. Finally, reconnect all hoses and components you removed. Close the radiator drain plug. Now, it's time to refill the cooling system with the correct type and amount of coolant. Start the engine and allow it to reach operating temperature, bleeding any trapped air from the system. Carefully inspect for any leaks around the new water pump and ensure the engine maintains a stable temperature.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.